The new title is Rhombus. Rhombus is a combination. Rhombus is a picture combination of square and a parallelogram. All the sides are equal like a square, and the opposite sides are parallel like parallelogram. And the diagonals at rhombus bisect each other. As you can see on the picture, BM is equal to MD and AM is equal to MC. How do we find area? Area is the product of the diagonals divided by 2. As you can see in the formula, area is E times F over 2. What is E and F? The diagonals, the length of the diagonals. Very simple. Let's look at the examples here. In the first examples, as you see, how do we know that this is a rhombus? It's given in the question that it's a rhombus. AC and BD are given. AC is 48, BD is 14. And the question is find the area. Since the diagonals are given, AC and BD, AC and BD. So what is the area? Let's remember the formula. Area is equal to E times F divided by 2. So the answer will be 48 times 14 divided by 2. So the result is, let's calculate it, 24 times 14, 336. 336 cm squared. So that's the answer. Very simple. Let's look at this example here, question number 2, which is a challenging question. Let's try to deal with it. Okay, let's have a look at that. This is a rhombus. How do we know that? It is given in the question. And a diagonal is drawn here. This angle is given 30, and CH is given 2 root 3 centimeter. Now, how do we find? Normally, area of rhombus is the product of the diagonals divided by 2. However, we have no idea what the length of the diagonals are. So we should have a different approach. Now, what should be that approach? If I find the area of ACB triangle here, I can multiply it by 2 because we have 2 congruent triangles here to find the area of the rhombus. So height is given. If the height is given, so it means that I need to find what AB is or what CB is, because these sides are all equal. This is a rhombus. So how shall we do? What shall we do? Here is 30. What did we say? Opposite angles are equal. So if this is 30, that has to be 30 degrees. Now, if there is a right triangle and you have an angle, what do we use? Trigonometry. I'm trying to find what CB is. So how can I find CB? Based on this triangle, CB is the hypotenuse and 2 root 3 is the opposite side. Therefore, opposite hypotenuse is clearly sine rule. Sine 30 is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So if you calculate here, you will see that CB is equal to 4 root 3 centimeter. If CB is equal to 4 root 3 centimeter, AB must be equal to 4 root 3 too. Why? Because this is rhombus. All the sides are equal. So since we have found AB, 4 root 3, then what are we going to do? How do you find area of ACB triangle? What we do here, base multiply, as you know, times height divided by 2. We don't need calculator. We can simplify the 2's, and then 4 times root 3 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 cm squared. This is the area of the triangle. So we have got 2 triangles in rhombus, 2 congruent triangles. Therefore, area of the rhombus will be equal to 12 times 2. That makes 24 cm squared.